Dump here with another review. This is the awesome fire pit. I love this thing. This has been used numerous times. It's super heavy duty, nice design. Um, it's all metal, which is great. The lid comes off, so you can have the lid on or off. If you have kids around, it's good to have it on, just as a safety precaution. And you just put your wood in there. It does have this steel grill down here for your wood, and this does get very, very hot when it's on and running. And all in all, just a great, great design. It's not too heavy, and it will last forever. And I highly recommend this.